Apple just launched a new subscription model that changes everything. ChatGPT is coming to your wrist, and Amazon just bought a company that wants to record your conversation. This week's tech news is wild. Let's dive in. Apple just announced AppleCare One, and it's essentially a multi-device protection plan. For $19.99 a month, you can cover 3 Apple devices: iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, any combination you want. Additional devices are $5.99 each. You get unlimited repairs, 24/7 support, battery coverage, and theft protection across all covered devices. Interestingly, even older Apple Watches from 4 years ago can be added to the plan. Now here's what's notable about this. Apple is shifting toward recurring revenue for device protection rather than individual AppleCare Plus plans. It's a smart move for them financially, but whether it's better value for consumers depends on how many devices you actually own and break. YouTube Shorts just rolled out some significant AI-powered creation features. The platform now lets you turn photos into dynamic videos, generate effects, and transform sketches into animations. It's powered by Veo 2 with Veo 3 reportedly coming soon. Currently available in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. But it's free to use just for now. The bigger picture here is that YouTube is clearly responding to TikTok's AI features. If you're creating content on Shorts, these tools are worth exploring, not because they're revolutionary, but because your competition is probably already using them. And here comes nothing. Yes, that's literally the company name. With the CMF Watch 3 Pro for $79, and it has ChatGPT baked right in. So unlike most smartwatches that require Siri sacrifices or sketchy third-party apps, this one has direct ChatGPT access. You can ask a question, set reminders, take voice memos, and even generate custom watch faces on demand. It's giving budget meets personal AI assistant vibes. Whether this actually makes your wrist smarter or just more chatty remains to be seen. Amazon recently acquired Bee, a startup that makes a wristband designed to record conversations and automatically convert them into notes and summaries. The privacy implications here are interesting. Amazon already knows what you buy, when you buy it, and probably what you're thinking of buying next. Now they want to know what you're saying too. Given Amazon's track record with wearables, remember the Halo Fitness band that quietly disappeared? It's unclear how this will play out. So we've got subscription device protection, AI-powered content creation, ChatGPT watches, and conversation recording bracelet. The wearable space is getting more interesting and slightly more dystopian by the week. What's your take on ambient recording devices? Useful productivity tool or privacy overreach? Drop your thoughts below. This is definitely one of those topics where people have opinions. And subscribe if you want these weekly tech roundups, and we will see you next week. Ciao!